airplane. So today we will do the whole game. Okay, that's Roblox 2012. Well, it's the same, but I will do it. But well, John, do not listen to this. But why is that there? I don't need that. There. Okay. Now. Okay, now let's play it. You're going to be so happy that I learned how to drive the airplane. Again? Well, okay, today I will show you how just to drive the airplane. This game. I am just going to do that game, okay? I took off. Okay, there. Okay, we will play it. Over here, I am going to the car.
Sorry.
Okay, guys, here comes the important part. I will show you how to drive the airplane. So this is the airplane. It's like different from the others. I will show you how to drive it. I know that's a little bit hard. So you have to click here, okay? But you can move the screen anymore. So you see this button? You go here at the directions. So it says key E. Okay, so I click it. Then I close this. So if you want, you can do the other things. Then with the up button, you go. Then with the mouse, you can go like that. But you have to make sure that this is full. Then you can do it. Okay? You can fly. I can fly it. Yes, I can. I can fly it. No, yes, I can fly it. Please know why I need to go down. No, I need to go down. Bro. Okay, now I'd like to show you how to drive. Oh, yes. Okay, I need to go here. Okay, I need to show you how to do it. Bro, we already went too much there. How am I going to show you then? Okay, I went here. Oh well, that's how you drive it. Now, okay, bye bye, guys. Well, I die. Okay, bye bye, guys. See you next time.